world champ and Olympic silver, Mээрim Jumanazarova.
This is going to be a great match, Jason. Two incredible wrestlers on Mat B.
Despite their 24, 26, you'd say that's probably getting to the prime of your career. That world championship, Jumanazarova came 5.5 years ago. As a 20-year-old, so you see success early like that, your early 20s, or you're just turning 20. That puts a target on your back too, as everybody that goes out there, they're going to give you your best.
Yeah, and they will study you, and they will know all the tricks you've got.
Вакыт келди. Өтүү керек. O-банк жана O жаңы кардарлары үчүн. Дароо 200 гигабайт жана 200 сом алгыңыз келеби? Каалаган Остор дүкөнүнө кошулуп, кош бонусту алыңыз. Биз менен сизби? Досторуңузду чакырыңыз жана ар бир досуңуз үчүн 200 сомдон алыңыз. O-банк жана O өтүүгө жана биз менен болууга эң ыңгайлуу учур.
Just over a minute gone by, no score here at 68 kilos. Coming up on the halfway point, no score. Jumanazarova is going to get hit with the passivity. And in freestyle, you're not going to get hit with a point in position like you do in Greco. You get put on what's called the activity period. You see that on the top left of your screen. Athlete has 30 seconds to score in that activity period. If they do not score, their opponent will receive a point for their inactivity. Terminology, you can call it a passivity point, you call it an inactivity point. The activity period is what it's called. Other places call it a shot clock, even though officially the term does not fit in the rule book. There's the time has expired, and now you see that Lee now has the point on the inactivity. So 1-0 lead, 30 seconds to go. And now Lee will be warned for passivity. First warning's nothing. Second, when you go on the clock, so to speak.
No block.
2-1, and it's just the inactivity point is what we have after the first 3 minutes of action, which
no finger.
Oh, nice low ankle attempt there by Jumanazarova. Lee trying to fight the position. And Jumanazarova's doubled off. Trying to elevate. Looks like Lee was trying to belly tilt here. And the best offensive attack of the match, that's 0 points. Solid D there by Lee.
Center. Dulu action. Action dulu.
And right off the whistle, he's going to get hit with a passivity. And that means she will be going on the activity period now. Same rules apply. 30 to score. You now know what happens if she doesn't. Clock expires, so there's 1 point on the board. And unlike Greco, freestyle, I said unlike.
Yes.
Freestyle 1-1 score, it's still last point.
Yeah, so the last point wins this match. And right now, Jumanazarova is up on criteria. If this would have been Greco, it would have been the opposite.
Yeah. Minute to go as the band plays on. And referee gonna warn both wrestlers again, saying more action, no interlocking in the fingers. Jumanazarova reaching for that far knee.
No finger.
Under 30 to go, so the possibility for another activity period has been thrown out the window.
One action.
Lee on the quick attack. Jumanazarova trying to get back to the center to stay in position. Underhook, 2-on-1 attempt. Time winds down, so 1-1 as a pair of inactivity points is all we saw. Last point scored is the tiebreaker. And a stingy bout by both of our athletes is going to make it the 1-1 victory into tomorrow's finals for Kyrgyz.